Okay, so the son decided to come out and play. We're here in the backyard of this house and testing out the heater. This is an electric heater, and one quick way you can tell if it's working properly, it should be blowing cold air. Basically what it's doing is pulling the cold out of the pool, pulling out the chill, and it'll do that and it'll exhaust it up here and it's cooler. So that's one way. Another way, it's a little more scientific, is taking the infrared camera. This is your inlet, that's your outlet. So that's going to be warmer than this side. So what we do is, it's about 91 degrees on that side. And about 95 on that side. That means it's working. You only need a few degrees, it's not that much. Then of course, sticking your hand in the pool on the jet itself, you can feel. This is just a basic pool function and safety review. I always recommend clients get a pool leak detection and get a full workup on the pool itself. But as far as my inspection is concerned, it's a basic pool function and safety test. From the safety side, there's missing the safety barrier. Broward County used to be the #1 county in the country for child drowning. And if you grew up here like I did, you kind of knew somebody that happened to. So take pool safety very seriously. They're awesome. We grew up with one, but you need to enjoy them safely. They do have an anti-suction drain cover in the middle, right there. See if I can zoom in for you. So what that helps is prevent suction if a body gets suction to it. It's really hard when it's a dome shape and it's got many holes like that. That's one. Two, proper bonding on the pool equipment. That's extremely important. Also, the gutters that are nearby. That's to prevent electric shock. Child gate going around the pool. The gates leading to the backyard should be self-closing, self-latching, and the latch should be on the interior and out of the reach of what building code considers a child. It's so many inches above the ground. It's like 50 something inches, maybe 54 inches. So last pool safety check would be to put windows and doors on all the openings leading to the backyard that somebody can get access to the pool for. So those are the safety recommendations. This pool has the anti-suction and the bonding, and nothing on the gutters. Gutters are not bonded, so that's something to be fixed. And that's pretty much it. Other than that, it's working. So safe pools are a joy. And if you have any questions about what type of codes are required in your area, reach out to the building department. They'll let you know. But at a minimum, have 3 levels of safety: anti-suction, the child gate going around the pool, and then alarms and self-closing gates. So probably 4. And then you can enjoy it safely. If you have any questions, reach out to us. HomestarInspectionsFL.com. Take it easy.